Okay, this is the remaining part of the video recently uploaded there, where we look at vowel letters with word examples. And I said we can pronounce the vowel letters in two ways, pronouncing them as regarding their normal name from the English letters, and also the way they sound in English words. So now we want to look at how they sound in some English words. This is a, contrary to the first one where we have a as its normal name. So here now we have it as a, e, o, a. So you can as well see the transcription, the phonetic